In an extraordinary diplomatic spectacle in New York, French President Emmanuel Macron, just hours after announcing France's recognition of the State of Palestine at the United Nations General Assembly, found himself unexpectedly halted on the streets of Manhattan. The French leader, fresh from making headlines at the UN podium, suddenly faced the full force of American security protocol. Macron's motorcade was forced to stop as New York police froze traffic across the area. The reason? The movement of US President Donald Trump's motorcade, which brought the city to a standstill. What followed was an unusual, almost cinematic exchange between the French president and the NYPD.
Sorry, President, I'm really sorry. It's just that everything's frozen right now. There's a motorcade coming right now. I'm sorry.
Macron, visibly surprised at being blocked in the streets, attempted to reason with the police officer, even pointing out his official duties and destination at the French embassy. But the officer stood firm, leaving one of the world's most powerful leaders stranded in the heart of New York.
If you don't see it, let me cross.
With no choice but to wait, Macron reached for his phone and dialed none other than Donald Trump himself. Cameras captured the moment he laughed off the incident, turning the awkward encounter into an improvised diplomatic joke.
How are you? Guess what? I'm waiting in the street because everything is frozen for you.
As Macron stood on the sidewalk, the surreal scene drew the attention of New Yorkers. Passers-by quickly recognized the French president and rushed to take selfies, with Macron playing along as a good sport despite the embarrassing situation. Smiling and engaging with the crowd, Macron shook hands, posed for photographs, and kept his composure, even as his schedule was thrown into disarray. His light-hearted response to the ordeal stood in sharp contrast to the humiliation of being left waiting in the open streets of New York.
Thank you.
But behind the laughter lay a powerful message. The French president had just challenged Washington's line by recognizing the State of Palestine, and yet in New York, he was literally forced to stand still in Trump's shadow. The incident, part comedy, part symbolism, underscored the rift between Paris and Washington over Israel, Palestine, and the future of global diplomacy.